Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a personal experience related to conflict between traditional values and modern individualism. The question reminds me of my own daily life because I'm a mother, a wife, a university student, and also help with activities at Islamic boarding school. For me, the rules sometimes create a difficult situation. I have to think about my family, but at the same time, I also want to continue my education and develop myself. In my culture, family is very important. We are taught from a young age that family should come first. After getting married and having children, many people believe that a woman's main responsibility is taking care for her husband, children, and home. I understand this point of view and I actually agree that family is very important. I love my family and taking care of my children is one of the most important things in my life. However, I also have a personal goal. I want to continue studying at university. Sometimes people ask me, why you are still studying? You already have children and a family. It's not a difficult. Honestly, yes, it's a difficult. My daily life can be very busy. I have to care my children, help my husband participate in activities at the boarding school, attend online or offline class, and complete university assignment. Sometimes I have to study when my children are already sleeping. For example, when I have an assignment or an exam, I cannot simply say, I will study tomorrow, because there is always another responsibility waiting for me. Sometimes I have to finish an assignment while my children are playing around me. Sometimes I study in night when the house is finally quiet. There are also days when I very tired and I just want to sleep or rest. But I remember that I have an assignment with a deadline, so I have to continue. This is where I feel the conflict between traditional and modern values. From the traditional perspective, I understand why some people think what I should for more on my family, focus more on my family. A mother has an important role in raising her children. Children need attention, love, and time from their parents. If I spend too much time studying, there is a possibility that I may have less time for my children. This is something I also think about. I don't want my ambition to make my children feel neglected. But from the modern perspective, I believe that being a mother does not mean that I have to stop learning. I believe women can have a family and still have personal goals. For me, studying is not only about getting a degree. As I study because I want to learn new things, improve myself, and become a better person. I'm interested in psychology and education because both are closely connected to my daily life. As a mother, I learn a lot about children. As someone who helps in an Islamic boarding school, I also deals with student and educational activities. So what I learn at university is not something completely separate from my life. I can actually use that I learn in my family and in my work. For example, when I study psychology, I learn about human behavior, emotion, communication, and mental health. Sometimes I can relate those lessons to situations that happen at home or in the boarding school. This makes me feel that my education has a real purpose. However, choosing to continue my education has consequence. The biggest consequence is that I have less free time. I cannot always relax when I want. Sometimes I have to choose between finishing assignment and getting enough sleep. Sometimes I have to postpone other activities because I have university deadline. There are also moments when I feel guilty. For example, when I'm busy with an assignment and my children wants my attention, I sometimes think maybe I should stop studying and spend time with my children. But I have learned that I don't have to choose only one side. I can try to manage both. Is it not always perfect, but I can try. My husband also plays an important role in this situation. His support make it easier for me to continue studying. We try to understand each other's responsibilities. Of course, there are still difficult days. We are not a perfect family, and I cannot always manage my time perfectly. Sometimes become tired, sometimes I procrastinate, and sometimes I feel overwhelmed because there are too many things to do at the same times. But I think this is a normal part of balancing myself, my family, and my personal goals. If I look at the consequence and my decision, I think there have been more positive consequences than the negative ones. First, I have become more confident. Before, I sometimes doubt myself and thought that maybe I could not continue studying because I already had many responsibilities. But every time I finish an assignment or pass an exam, I feel that I'm capable of doing something difficult. Second, I have learned how to manage my time. I have decided which things are important and which thing can wait. I have also learned that I don't need to be perfect. Sometimes the house is not perfectly clean. Sometimes I cannot finish everything in one day. And that's okay. I have learned to focus on what is really important. Another positive consequence is that I hope I can become an example for my children. I want my children to see that learning does not stop when we become adult. I want them to understand that education is lifelong process. I want them to see their mother studying, making mistake, trying again, and continue even when things are difficult. However, I also want to be honest that I don't think personal ambition should always come first. I disagree with that the idea that we should pursue our dreams without thinking about the people around us. For me, individual freedom should come with responsibility. If someone wants to achieve a personal goal but completely ignores their family, and then I don't think that is a good decision. Personal success is important, but relationships are also important. In my situation, I think the best choice is balance. I don't want to give up my family for my education, but I also don't want to completely give up my education just because I have a family. I believe both can exist together. Looking back, I believe my decision to continue studying was justified. I has not always been easy, and sometimes I still question myself, but I believe that continuing my education is part of becoming a better person, better version of myself. It also gives me knowledge that I can use the support my family and contribute to the people around me. So for me, traditional values and modern value do not always have to fight each other. Traditional values teach me about responsibility, family, and sacrifice. Modern values teach me about independence, education, and personal development. I think I can take the positive part from both. Family can remain a priority while personal dreams and still have a place. In the end, my experience has taught me that being a mother and having personal ambition are not necessarily opposite things. I can be a mother, a wife, a student, and someone who continues to learn. It might be tiring and it may not always be easy, but I believe it is possible with support, good communication, and good time management. And I think the most important thing is not choosing between family and personal ambition. That most important thing is learning how to balance them. Thank you for listening and see you. Assalamualaikum.